Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, what do I have today? Well, this comes by way of a fella named, Alexander from Hong Kong. Thanks, dude. This is an export version of Mommy Monster. What, you don't know what that is? Well, the only way you could not know what this is to be in the Western Hemisphere, most likely. Yeah. But, trust me, you will, after I show you, know what it is. Now, you don't have to cook it. I'm going to show you, for the first time ever, the process of making this product correctly, and you'll be able to see it like an x-ray. So what it is a block of noodles that are seasoned and a little tiny sachet. There's a little sachet. So we're going to take these noodles and we're going to put them in this clear bag. It already got munched pretty good going through the mail. So from Hong Kong. So it's gonna be like not super crazy. But usually this would be more of a solid block. So imagine this is more solid. You know what you do is when it was in the packaging, you'd go like this. Okay? Then you take this, and I know it says powdered soup, but you don't put water with this. If you put water with this, you're gonna end up with, it'd be like having, I don't know, barbecue flavor potato chips and going, oh, they're barbecue. I guess I have to put them on the grill. It's like, no, don't do that. Although, I guess you could like crush up barbecue potato chips and use them as a coating for chicken? I don't know. Just pour it right in this bag. Very, very light powdery substance. And then we'll zip it shut. And it's kind of like, almost like popcorn. Now you just like shake it on up. Whee! Yeah. Here's our little bowl. That's our little bowl right there. Okay. Hope you're ready for this. I'm gonna cook it right now. This is how it's prepared. Are you ready? Usually, you would eat it out of the bag. But we're going gourmet today. We will have this in a bowl. Look at that. And that, right there, is Mommy Monster. So, I've never had this particular package way before. I've had, there's a lot of different ways that you can get it, sometimes like in a 10-pack, sometimes a very small package. This is a big amount of it, so let's give it a try. It's like salty, crunchy, oniony, kind of chickenish. It's not bad. And I'm trying to think what I would add to it. Well, I know it's the new year for you, but I don't care. Actually, it's gonna be January for you, right? So it can still snow. So I'm gonna throw in some Snowflake Cheetos. Oh boy! You know how rare I have Cheetos these days? These are new. Dang, those are salty. I thought this was salty. This is salty. Holy moly. They kinda... That's neat. Wow. I'll just throw a few in there. If you're entertaining, having a party with, like, you know, some fancy people. Wait, will this? Yeah, that's a different one. There's 4 different designs. We got that and that and that. You got that one? I already got that one. There's like a 3-pointed snowflake. There it is. Alright, so we got Cheetos. We got an instant noodle snack. It's time to have a party. So why don't we have a little party? You know, hey Mimi, your birthday's coming up. Should we have an early birthday party for you? Mimi, come here. Come on, be in on the show. Come on, cutie. All right. Up, up. Whoa! And here we are. We've got the princess of princesses, Mimi. Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Let's ask that. I say, how are you doing, Mimi? Are you good?
Good.
Good. So we have a special snack for you today to try. We've got a Mommy Monster and we have some Cheetos. You like Cheetos?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's try this first. You like your noodles? Try that. Crunchy. Give it a try. So is that yummy or is it yucky?
Mommy.
It's yummy? Cool. Okay, I'll remember that. Maybe put some peanut. Huh? You want to eat a snowflake?
No.
You want to try this?
Yes.
It's a Cheeto.
Cheetos.
Yeah, give that a try. No, for you.
Noodle.
You want the noodles?
Yes.
You don't want to try this? It's cheese. Look, look. They're yummy. It's like chips. You want noodles?
Yes.
They're kind of messy. Here's a little piece of noodle. What do you say?
Thank you.
Well, there you have it. Mommy Monster over Cheetos. She's all over it. All right. Well, you wanted me to make it spin around?
Yes.
Wow. Isn't that cool? Hi, Rotato. All right. Well, cool. Thank you for joining me, Mimi, and happy birthday. Mimi's going to be 3 in 1 week. What are you going to do for your birthday? You going to have a party? You going to have a Hello Kitty party? Yeah.
Party.
Big party?
Yes. Big party.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.